Today, I'm going to talk about the problem of overusing electricity in Hong Kong. People are using more and more electricity in the past few decades, which means it can easily lead to the problem of overusing electricity. This is an aerial photo of Hong Kong in the nighttime. We can see that Hong Kong Island and Kowloon are the places where most people are living in, and thus the overusing of electricity are mainly found in these urban areas. In order to tackle the problem, the government has suggested us to adjust the air conditioning to 25.5 degrees Celsius in indoor areas. However, many shopping malls adjust the temperature below the standard guided by the government so as to attract customers, especially in summer. The situation is even more serious. The fact that people wearing cardigans and long sleeves in the sweltering season just to keep them warm is shocking. Hong Kong, as one of the most favorite tourist spots for tourists over the globe, has been regarded as Pearl of the Orient due to its unique bright skyline illuminated by hundreds and thousands of neon lights. Visitors coming to Hong Kong mostly want to experience the magnificent night view from either the Peak or the seafront at Tsim Sha Tsui. All these are evidence to support the overusing of electricity in Hong Kong. Maybe it's time for government authorities to implement policies to solve the problematic issue that caused the heavy light pollution in Hong Kong. This photo shows the typical domestic energy consumption for households in Hong Kong. From my point of view, levying a higher charge on electricity is a wise solution to deal with the problem. Then, Hong Kong citizens will try to minimize their use of electricity in different ways in order to avoid paying excessive charge. For example, they will use energy-saving light bulbs instead of using the traditional ones, as the former have higher efficiency and will consume far more less energy comparing to the latter. Moreover, they will try shortening the time when taking a shower with an electric heater, since it is the main reason why people are paying expensive electricity bills. Besides using less electricity individually, big companies will also want to lower the daily and production costs to increase the profit by trying to reach the standard of 25.5 degrees Celsius for indoor air conditioning and use energy saving mode for computers in the office. In addition, the government should set up guidelines to regulate the use of neon light advertisement signs in crowded areas like Bangkok, such as limiting the time for the usage of the signs till 1 a.m. in the midnight, rather than just letting them on over the whole night. Also, less electricity consumed means less fossil fuels are burnt, and less carbon dioxide are then emitted into the atmosphere, which means it can lessen greenhouse effect. It's important for Hong Kong citizens to involve in energy saving. For example, the City University Student Residence Office also encouraged residents to save energy and to keep room temperature at 25.5 degrees Celsius. And people are encouraged to use electronic appliances with these energy saving labels. Thank you.